Okay. So for our public art mural project that we are combining ideas in, all you guys have some really good ideas to share, right? Give me here a hoot out in the crowd. Yay, we got some good ideas in here, right? I know we do in school today. I hope you guys do at home too. So once you guys get those uploaded on Schoology for our discussion board, feed back and forth, and get some good conversations going, refine your ideas, and then you can imagine how would your design maybe fit into this concept, which is the mural, or the design concept of the little planters. So you were supposed to try to create sections. So this diagram here has the sketches here, but it's easier to see how that's going to lay out on the panel. So this has 2x2 sections that are going to equal 8. So this is a 2 feet tall, 8 feet wide diagram. So that diagram will be sketched section by section, because then when we go to paint that, that's going to be done, or tiles. We're actually doing tiles on some of those planters. So the tiles then will be drawn out, and the same drawings you guys are doing that get selected. That's why we do this request for proposal, is that organization gets to say, hey, these are great ideas. We want to include that in public art space. So I hope that you would be selected. I know that you guys are very creative individuals and have a lot of good ideas to share. So the mural, what I've done now is, if you guys are familiar with Photoshop, I can copy this image, and I don't know if it's going to allow me to do that. And then you can go to Photoshop. So I'm going to open up Photoshop here. And this idea will be carried in and copied into Photoshop. And you guys have that app if you installed it. How's it working for you, Brock? Good. So we can take this image, and the sketch that he did is of the granary, the Pioneer Village granary. It's awesome. So we're going to include that into this full mural concept. But instead of drawing it and erasing it and trying to figure out where it fits best, we can take all these pieces and move them around when the time comes. So I have started a mural project before. So we're going to try to open my recent ones. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. We'll just go down to our end of Main Street. Let's see. End of Main. And in here we have all of our concepts, diagrams, and there should be mural ideas. So let me go back to this recent stuff. I'll cancel that one. Nope, I can't scroll it that way. Okay. All right, so the one I had open, we're going to go back to that one. Mural downtown. And then this is Bobby's end of mural. So we're going to open that one. Okay. So that's all we have right now. And this is going to be what the concept. So we can transform in this program. So I can Control T is the edit command, and I can make this bigger. In this case, we have to decide the measurement of the mural. It was supposed to be an 8x8 mural at the end of Main Street. We also wanted to do that mosaic mural if we can get the artist Joshua Weiner to come and work with us. So it's important to kind of know what your design is going to be placed on what size, because otherwise it can be completely distorted when the time comes. So now I'm taking a guess at this, right? It could be too small or too big. So we don't want to do that. If you guys are going to do things in Photoshop, you go back to use drag from the corners. Okay, so anytime you want to transform it, click and drag from the corner, and then it's going to keep the right scale and proportion. It should. They keep changing it in Creative Cloud. Now we have to do you used to have to shift to hold it. So anyway, so now we have the space, that negative space is where your images are going to be added. Did you get yours added yet, Brock? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to stop this recording for now, because if you want to share that with me, we can either do it here and show everybody in the diagram. So otherwise, we'll just kind of, you can bring it up here. We'll try to switch out. I'm not sure how Screencast is going to work with sharing my other screen. So I'm going to go to the Ladybug right now. Come on, bring it up. All right, so the Ladybug is here. Okay. So I just got to change it. Bring it on up. We got this. I put it at 1%. Oh, okay. We'll do this quick because we got 1% battery. All right, one more time. Okay. So just go ahead and lay it there. So now Brock has taken his granary and placed it on that. Yes, we're going to zoom in a little bit. Now, what do you think it fits okay yet, or what do you think, Brock?
I like it.
Okay. Oops, we got a little glare here.
I have to do a different angle with drawing stuff.
Okay, where's that glare coming from? There. Okay, so he's actually taken his sketch, took a digital copy